OK，小人不想。
A few inches later.
Oh,
5 minutes later. A few inches later. A few moments later.
Let's go.
Meanwhile.
Where?
Ha! 5 minutes later.
OK. Really cool.
A few moments later.
Oh, hello. Really cool.
Ha! 5 minutes later.
Let's go.
A few moments later.
Really cool.
2 hours later.
Really cool.
5 minutes later.
Oh no. Hey. Yeah.
A few inches later.
Really cool.
5 minutes later. few inches later.
Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya.
5 minutes later.
Oh.
Aha! Let's go.
5 minutes later.
Okay, let's go.
5 minutes later.
Okay, let's go. Wow! Oh, hello! Oh, wow!
A few moments later.
Okay, let's go. Hey.
Huh? Apa Pak?
Hey!
5 minutes later.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Go. Hey.
A few inches later.
Go.
2 hours later.
Hey. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, let's go.
A few moments later. Five minutes later.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, hello.
5 minutes later. Meanwhile,
Hey,有谁？
5 minutes later.
Okay. Let's go.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Oh.
5 minutes later.
Okay.
Five minutes later.
Okay, let's go.
A few moments later.
Life seems very peaceful. A new day at Luigi's house.
Do you want to play hide and seek? It'll be a lot of fun.
3, 2, 1.
Fun.
Okay. Let's go.
5 minutes later.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everyone is very excited.
Hey.
Rock, paper, scissors. The loser is...
A few moments later.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Luigi, what to do now? Luigi, careful with the banana peel. Oh no! Stop! Someone is under there! Too dangerous! Someone save Luigi!
Okay.
Now I'll go find him.
Meanwhile,
Others are still unaware that Luigi is in trouble.
a few inches later.
Where could Luigi be hiding?
5 minutes later.
Why is it here?
Did Luigi encounter trouble?
The excavator digs up the ground.
A few moments later.
a spider.
Mario, Luigi is missing.
A few inches later.
Okay, okay, let's go.
What? I'm coming right away. We found Luigi's hat.
What does Mario need these items for?
A few moments later.
Signal is getting stronger. Here it is. Luigi's location has been The analyzer confirms that this is Luigi's hat.
Let's go.
Mario immediately starts searching. Goodbye! The excavator digs up the ground. The sermon.
Hello, hello, hello.
Luigi has been found.
5 minutes later.
Luigi is safe.